Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to change your video quality settings in the X mobile app. This simple adjustment can help you enjoy better video playback while managing your data usage effectively. Let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Now tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. From here, tap on Data Usage. Scroll down carefully until you find the High Quality Video option. When you tap on it, you'll see two choices: Mobile Data and Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi only. Finally, select the option that best suits your preferences and data plan. Thanks for watching. Adjusting your video quality in the X app is easy and helps optimize your viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.